If you run a faceless channel, you know the grind. Staring at an endless timeline, scrubbing through microseconds of footage just to keep up with the daily upload volume the algorithm demands. You have to hunt down the right background clip, usually some Minecraft parkour, then slice the audio, generate the text, and manually snap every single pop-up to the exact frame a word is spoken. Doing this once is tedious. Doing it 3 times a day, every day, drains the energy you need to actually write or conceptualize good content. You quickly hit a hard physical limit on how many videos you can produce. The time spent dragging and dropping clips is time the algorithm is leaving you behind. Manual editing forces a bottleneck on your channel's growth. This is where Reddit Video MakerBot steps in. It replaces the editing bay with a single terminal command. Built by a massive open-source community, this repository has amassed over 11,500 stars on GitHub, refined by developers who wanted to eliminate production friction. It is specifically engineered to churn out the exact style of highly engaging, vertically formatted Reddit stories that dominate TikTok and YouTube Shorts. You are no longer slicing tracks on a timeline. You are feeding parameters into a script and letting the computer assemble the final product. The core of this tool is a fast, local, automated assembly line running entirely on your own hardware. You trigger the sequence by pasting a specific Reddit URL into your command line. From there, the script takes over. It pulls top Reddit API comments onto a digital conveyor belt, while Playwright snaps dark mode screenshots. A text-to-speech engine generates voiceovers. The script mathematically aligns each audio duration to its screenshot, layering these synchronized assets over a looping background video to encode the final file. In a matter of seconds, raw text from a web page is compiled into a complete, ready-to-watch video file sitting on your hard drive. The script outputs a finished MP4 file, but it deliberately stops the automation process right there. There is no feature to automatically publish the video to your social accounts. This is an intentional, protective design choice. Platforms have highly sensitive spam filters. Accounts that behave like fully automated posting bots are quickly flagged by algorithms, hidden by shadow bans, or hit with community strikes. By forcing you to physically review the MP4 and click the upload button yourself, the bot ensures the final publishing action looks entirely human to the platform's security algorithms. You save hours of production time through local automation, while keeping your channel safe from aggressive spam detection. Right now, you run this tool through a command line interface. You need a Python environment installed, and you operate it via text prompts. But the repository is actively developing a graphical user interface. This modernization will replace the terminal with standard buttons and menus, allowing anyone to operate the script without needing to read or write a single line of code. The days of manually cutting audio tracks and aligning text layers for Reddit stories are over. The entire assembly process is now algorithmic. Clone the repository, set up your environment, and let code build your next video.